In Cloud Raya, you can use snapshots and snapshot schedules to protect your data on the virtual machine. Snapshot is a point-in-time capture of a disk. Meanwhile, Snapshot Schedule is an automated recurring snapshot. In this video, you will see how easy it is to create snapshots, a snapshot schedule, and restore it. First, go to your VM page. Click the View Details button on the VM that you want to create a snapshot or a snapshot schedule. In your VM details, you can click on the Storage tab. On the Storage page, you will find a list of storage disk. There are two options on the storage page that you can choose. The main option is Snapshot Schedule and plus Snapshot on each of the storage disks listed.
To set the snapshot schedule, you can start by clicking on the Snapshot Schedule button. You are now seeing the Snapshot Schedule window setting. Choose the storage disk you want to snapshot. Set the snapshot frequency, time, and retention that works for you. When everything is set, you can click on the Apply button. To create Instant Snapshot,
Click the plus Snapshot button on your designated storage disk. Now you see a pop-up window to set up your snapshot. Input your snapshot name and then click the Create Snapshot button.
you will see your snapshot on the new table below the designated storage disk.
Here you see three action buttons. First, it's the Revert button that you can use to restore your snapshots. Second, the Convert to OS template. You can use this to turn a VM disk snapshot into an OS template for creating new VMs. Third, it's the Trash button to delete snapshots that are no longer relevant.
Back to our topic. To restore a snapshot, you can do it by clicking on the Revert button.
You will see a pop-up window to confirm the change. If you are ready to restore, you can type the snapshot name you want to restore and then click the Revert Snapshot button. Once the restoration process is done, your VM will be ready to use. Protect your VM by creating your first snapshot today.